Right, so I've got a bit of a weird old style trap to show you. So it's basically a bird, like a bird perch trap. Now I've seen this in a book called The History of Fowling. I've only ever been able to find it online. Do you remember I showed you some of the books before, the pigeon traps? Well, they're kind of chapters out of The History of Fowling. What someone's done is they've got the chapters and made them into individual books. That's the only way you can buy them offline. Well, the only way I could anyway. So in that is a manually operated bird perch trap, and it's basically the same as this. The only difference it would have been was this bottom piece they seem to make quite ornate, but that's how they used to do things in the old days. And it looked to me like this stick was one piece, whereas I've screwed this top bit onto this bit, so you got a good kind of angle there. But I believe what they would have done, they would have just found a tree with a side branch sticking out, chopped off the top, chopped off the end, and then slotted this over it. Well, obviously they probably did it this way as well, because you couldn't always get a tree what fitted perfect, I reckon, you know what I mean? So what you would do, you'd put this in an area where your birds are perching. So far as I know, no bait or anything. Some of these techniques used another bird to bring the birds in, but all I believe is the bird would just land on the perch, and then, like I said, it's manually operated, so someone from somewhere else, hidden somewhere, would have a piece of string, and, well, actually it was slightly different to this, but I will show you it outside. This bit of string would go down to a weight. The weight would be held by a pin, and on the end of the pin was a piece of string. When the bird landed on the perch, you'd pull the pin out, down the weight would come, and then this would happen. And then it would catch the bird round its talons or toes or whatever, in between the stick and this serrated piece of pipe. And the weight would keep it down to allow the operator to then come and grab the bird. Otherwise he would have to one-handedly hold this down while trying to grab it or tie it off. But that's why they use the weight, so it would just kind of, once that had happened, it was then, you know, self-contained, if you know what I mean. So you get the idea. It's a round pipe, serrated, bird lands on, and then that's it, pretty much it. You can see how it wraps around quite a lot. Pretty simple, weird old trap. I'll set it up outside and we'll have a go. Not actually catching a bird, but we'll try, you know, setting it off with a weight.